The goal is to just keep up. At this point, I think we can manage. Yo, I really miss doing stuff like this. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. I haven't been to a night meet in so long. Oh my God, 30 minutes? Fuck. This meet better be worth it. I'm telling you. The goal is to not get pulled over. That's the goal. I never used the HUD either. Maybe I shouldn't. We'll use it for now, until we get on the highway. Oh yeah. Yo, this car is so loud. Yo, his car is louder than the Acura, bro. What the hell? That's crazy. His car is louder than the Acura, bro. How is his car louder than the NSX? That don't even make sense. Missouri? What are you doing down here? Yo, his car is so loud. That doesn't make any sense, bro. What the hell? Yo, how do we feel about the HUD? I don't know. I never use it, so I used to use it all the time, but now not so much. Whoa, I didn't know I could do this. Yo. So loud. That's how I need to be. I'm thinking no HUD. It's a little distracting. We'll turn that off. Maybe I need to wrap my car, huh? Damn. Just this car looks so good, bro. Is like obnoxiously loud, bro. It's so funny. loud as hell too. No cap. Why do we got the gas showing? I don't want to see that. There we go. This is why I need a sun pass. I literally never go through sun passes. Bro, what? Everybody's car is louder than mine? Since when? Yo, what's in there? That sounds like a V8. Lexus, they got, what is that, an IS 350 or something? They got V8s in them? What the hell? That shit is clean though. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera. It's a little dark. Oh, IS. This solid little turnout. There's just one side, obviously. We got the rest of the parking lot. It's a solid turnout. Dude, that was like the most fun drive I've had in like a long time. Like, I legit do not rip that car that hard at all. That was so fun. This thing is clean. The donut sticker, I peeped that.
Oh, look at that.
They're both crazy.
You, right? Bro. Yeah. He was sick. Appreciate it. No problem, man. Hey! See, I figure I'll see you sometime. Yeah, man.
The Marrow sounds crazy. Cam. I think we're getting kicked out though. Look at this dude. Those taillights are clean. Oh, something sounds loose in there. Oh, the spinners.
Let's figure out a place. I'm gonna watch you.
Damn, yo, he is not playing. We got to go. We're probably gonna go eat though. Bro, Justin's car is hella clean. I just need to get my R8, bro, ASAP. We're working on it. Keep the Supra. I really want me a Supra. They're so clean. Super clean. Oh, black and white. Shut us down. That was very short-lived, but it's all good. They are camping out low-key, but that's all good. We're just gonna get something to eat, probably get some wings, and shit, we'll call it a night, to be honest. When I tell you it smells like straight fumes over here,